Shark Tank Analysis by Drew Bean. Proposition 1. Pluffle. Shark Tank Season 14, Episode 5. Featured company, Pluffle. Asking $200,000 in exchange for 10% of the company. Entrepreneurs Noah and Yuki, recent college graduates. What's the pitch? If you work like a dog, why not sleep like one? The beginning. Noah worked at a coffee shop and noticed a Great Dane who was napping peacefully. He said he felt jealous of how easily the dog could sleep and how comfortable he looked in his plush dog bed. And he wondered, how could I offer this kind of sleep to humans? The human dog bed. Noah teamed up with fellow college student and friend Yuki. They worked with a designer in Vancouver to create the dog bed for humans. The human dog bed. Noah searched high and low and could not find another item offering the same value proposition. They tested the prototype with 50 beta testers who all loved it. The Pluffle advertisement. Ergonomic support. Using high-quality orthopedic memory foam, the Pluffle provides just the right amount of support that is perfect for all-day relaxation. Nap wherever. The handles on both sides and the high-quality bag allow for easy storage and transportation. Stress-free relaxation. The Pluffle comes in an easy-to-remove, pet-friendly machine washable cover, so you don't have to worry about any accidents or spillages. Be tucked in. The Pluffle comes with a super soft pillow border that lets you tuck your hands and feet inside, mimicking the feeling of pressure therapy, a proven way to reduce stress and anxiety. Product cost. The landing cost for the production is $140. Each Pluffle sells for $399. Their initial goal was $25,000 in sales, which was exceeded with $280,000 of orders in 30 days. Progress. One of the Shark's questions was, how much of the product have you delivered? Response. Just started the manufacturing process, so have not delivered any of the products sold to date. An order of 1,200 units takes about 2 months to produce, and also 2 months to ship. Target market. Hard-working people who love to nap. Also children with sensory issues. Veterans with physical trauma, and people who suffer from a range of sleep issues. Competition. None on the market at this time. Filed for provisional patent and currently working on utility and design patents. What question would I ask? Do these come in different sizes? A person who is 6'6" will need a different size bed than someone who is 4'8". Can you specify sizes or customize the product? Would I buy a Pluffle? I do not have trouble with sleeping. I can sleep pretty much anywhere. I also do not like being hot when I sleep, and these look warm and cozy. So, it's a no for me. Deal or no deal? A deal was made between the entrepreneurs Noah and Yuki with Mark and Lori for $200,000 and 20% of the company. Mark and Lori currently own Hug Sleep, which is a company that promotes a different sleep product. Proposition 2. Bridal Babes. Shark Tank Season 14, Episode 5. Featured company Bridal Babes, asking $250,000 for 10% equity in the company. Entrepreneurs Ashley and Charles from Washington, D.C. What's the pitch? Bridesmaids gowns that are inclusive in sizing and offer a wide range of colors that enhance all skin colors. Offerings: sizes 2 through 26, ready to ship. Special order sizes from 26 to 32. Shopping from the comfort of home through live virtual consultations and social media community. Cost structure. 1. Classic collection. Landing cost of $13.31 and price to sell at $44.05. Very economical. Number 2. Luxe collection. Landing cost of $67 and price to sell at $228. Customer base. One of the sharks asked, "How are you getting to your customers?" Answer: Core platform is on Instagram with 90,000 followers and about 60,000 on TikTok. Spend $30,000 of revenue on advertising. 30% of revenue on advertising. Progress. Company has lifetime sales of $2 million with growth each year. Year 1, 30,000. Year 2, 200,000. Year 3, 950,000. And year 4 projected 1.2 million. Profitable. Last year made 20,000. Each owner received 60,000 salary. What question would I ask? What about the groomsmen? Do you have any plans to incorporate a more customized approach to their typical tuxedo selections? Would I be interested in Bridal Babes? While I will never wear a bridesmaid's dress, I can see how this product can truly enhance a wedding. There should be fashionable and affordable options for bridesmaids of all sizes and skin tones. I would definitely be interested in this product. Deal or no deal? A deal was made between the entrepreneurs Ashley and Charles with guest shark Emma Grady for $250,000 and 20% of the company. Emma currently owns fashion companies Good American and Skims, so her expertise can benefit Bridal Babes. That's my presentation. Thank you.